Good morning, guys. I just woke up and I'm done with my morning meeting and it's time to have some coffee. So it's 8 o'clock right now and I have a surprise for you in this vlog, which you will get to know at the end of the video. But let me just give you a teeny tiny hint. There's a special event coming up in the next 2 days and I really need to be ready for it. I really need to look good at the event. So I was planning to do a quick makeover for myself and just trim my hair or maybe change my hair color, because last January I did it like brown, and then last September I did it red. It was some violet, I don't remember the name, but it was red. And yeah, but it's all faded. You can see it, it's all gone, like it's getting faded to brown. So I don't like it. I don't like the way they are looking, so I really need to do something about it. I was thinking of doing a really different color this time, so I'm not sure. I'm really confused which one should I pick. I have like blue, green, or maybe blonde or pink in my mind, but let's see. I am not sure which one will look good, but I'm going to pick one of them and try it this time. I really want to just try it how I look, so let's see how it goes, and I'm not sure how I will look, but yeah. So I have an appointment at 9:30 for the salon, and let's see how it goes and which color I pick. I'm gonna look at the color chart and see which one should I pick, and yeah, let's see, and you will know at the end of the video how that's gonna look, how I'm gonna look. So yeah, I'll just quickly finish my coffee and get ready, and then we'll go to the salon. Hey guys, I'm all ready, and say bye-bye to this hair. New hair coming up soon. So I'm really excited and I'm sad for, I'm gonna miss them. No worries. Let's see. So it's 9:15. I'll quickly grab my mask and we can go. So we have a waiting time of like 10-15 minutes, and till then we will choose the color from the 4 I told you. Let's see which one is available right now and which one will suit my hair, because it's already, I have a little bit of color, so it's gonna look different even if it's the like blue or green or blonde, anyone. So let's see, we'll choose the colors first.
That's a lot.
Yeah. So I was looking for this. Something from this. So we selected the blonde ash brown color for this, and first they take a bunch of your hair, put them up in aluminum foil and apply the color that you have chosen, and then wrap the entire bunch in the aluminum so that no air or moisture is in contact with them. This applying process will take around like 30 to 40 minutes, and I have to sit still for the color to be absorbed for another 30 minutes. So like this overall in total you need to wait for like 1.5 hours. But in my case, I already had my previous hair color, so the new one was not depositing well. So they had to do the process all over again, which took double the time. So I was sitting there for like 3 hours while I am super hungry now. I'm quickly going to finish the sandwich and then wash my hair and see how it goes. But then it got ruined completely. I was looking so weird, you can see it. I told them they need to fix this anyhow because I'm not going anywhere with this hair. So then they mixed some more brown shade and deposited on my hair for the shade to go lighter, and now I have to keep this for another 10 minutes and then wash it again. So let's see if it helps. I'm back from the salon and ta-da! So this is how my hair looks right now, and yeah, it you saw that it got pretty messed up in the beginning. Like, it all went like yellow, and oh god, I freaked out so much seeing that color. I was like, oh god, I am not going to go out with this on my hair. Like, oh god, I was so freaked out, but somehow they managed to adjust some colors and, you know, redo it, and a little bit of, you know, yeah, it's covered somehow. But yeah, it looks like this now. But I just did the straightening as well, so because without the straightening it wasn't looking that good. But yeah, I'm planning to do the keratin as well so that I get the permanent straightening for a few months. And yeah, but honestly, you need to tell me how this looks in the comment section. But I'm very skeptical. Like, I'm not sure. It's just because I have the habit of like the black hair and suddenly it's all changed. So maybe that might be it. But I don't know if I'm gonna try for a few days, but if I do not feel comfortable with this, going around, going outside, and I don't know how I am thinking like how it'll go. But yeah, if in like 4 or 5 days, in a week or so, if I think that it's not looking that good, maybe I can like just, you know, get back to some darker shade or something. So let's see. I'm going to give some time so that I get adjusted to it, and I give you some time to get adjusted to this. But yeah, but definitely if I do change it back again, I will definitely film a vlog about it, and I will let you guys know as well which one I choose and what color I go back to. So yeah, consider subscribing right away so that you get a notification when I upload my next vlog. And that will definitely, I hope, like, I do not change this color. I really want to get adjusted to this, but I'm not sure what's going to happen. So let's see. Next week you will know if I redo it or not with my next vlog. So yeah, so that was it. I take your leave, and yes, do let me know in the comment section how you think about this color and does it suit me. With that being said, I'll see you in my next vlog. Stay tuned for the next update from me, and do follow me on Instagram to get the quick update even before I upload my vlog. So yeah, so I'll see you next time. Bye bye.